Welcome back everyone to my channel Taj Edu Edge online classes. In my series of statistics for business decision, Unit 1 Introduction to Statistics for BBA students of Bengaluru City University. I have already covered the syllabus of first unit Introduction to Statistics in my first video, meaning of statistics and statistics in plural and singular senses. In my second video, I have covered the characteristics of statistics. In my third video, I have covered the origin and development of statistics. And in my fourth video, I have covered the importance of statistics. In the fifth video, this is my fifth video, and in this video today, I will be covering the scope of statistics. First you need to understand the meaning of scope. What does scope means? Scope means the areas where statistics is used in real life, where we do apply the statistics. That is what the meaning of scope. Okay, scope means application in real life. So we do apply the statistics in different fields like economics, business, education, health and medicine, government, agriculture, research, and in the daily life also. In my previous video, I have already explained about this importance of statistics. I have already explained this, but still when they ask you in the examination about the scope of statistics, it's necessary that we properly explain it. So let's understand each of these one by one. First one is economics. In the field of economics, statistics is used to study income, inflation and poverty, or anything else relating to the economics. Income here means what is the income level of the people in the country. Okay, who belongs to which status of category of status. Well, status here means middle class, lower middle class, upper middle class, high class people, like that. Income. Inflation. Inflation means increase in the prices. Okay, how the prices are increasing, how it is affecting the people. The poverty level. Poverty andre badatanam. So to know the income, inflation, poverty or anything else in the economics, statistics is being used. Example, government uses the data to check unemployment rate. This is an example. If there is a data, the government will get to know that what is an unemployment rate, how many people have graduated, how many are undergraduate, how many are postgraduate, how many are illiterate, whether they are skillful, where they are not skillful, whether they are employed, they are not employed. All those data will be in the front of the government if there is a statistics. If no statistics, then it is of no use. It is not possible to do a proper administration. Next, application of statistics in business to track sales, profit, customer demand, everything. A company studies past sales to plan the next month's sales. How is the sales in the past month? How is the sales now currently going on? What can be the sales in the future? What can be the demand for the product in the future? All those can be decided and planned properly based on the statistics available. Next, education. To access the performance of the students, the attendance percentage of the students, the scoring of the students in the examination, all those data. Like schools calculate average marks and pass percentage. You might have seen the hoardings outside of the schools, colleges showing that the students who have scored highest percentage of marks. How come they get to know that? When they have the data of all the students, and they compare the data of all the students and they find who has scored good percentage. Based on that, they will take the photos of the students and they prepare hoardings out of and they put it out of the campus, near the campus, for an advertisement purpose, right? Next, health and medicine. To study disease, death rate, recovery, statistics are being used. For example, doctors use data for COVID-19 reports. That is an example in health how it is being used. If you have watched my previous video, it is easier for you to understand this. Next, government. For census, policy, budget decision, statistics are used. Example, planning hospitals, schools, construction of schools, hospital, road, highways, based on the population in that particular location. Next, in the field of agriculture, statistics used to estimate the yield. What is the yield? Yield andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನ ಬೆ ಅದು ಬೆಳೆಯ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ವೆದರ್, ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಾಳೆ ವೆದರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರಗ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ took some samples, they used that vaccination on samples. After that, when they get to know that it is working properly, later it was being applied on the real population. That is research ಅಲ್ಲಿ statistics help ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Next, in our day to day life, in weather, sports, social media, etc., also we use statistics. For example, cricket scores, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯೂಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್, ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. In the next video, I will be discussing on the limitations of the statistics. Also, I will discuss the distrust of the statistics. After that, in the last video of this unit, I will be discussing on the question bank. Okay. So follow my YouTube channel, share the videos of my subjects and whatever useful for you with your friends and the friends of your other colleges also. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that will help me, motivate me in posting more videos relating to your subjects.